Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block and unblock people on the Bigo Live app step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your app store and search for Bigo Live. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not work properly on older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Bigo Live app on your device. After that, go to the Me section, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Here, you will find an option called Block List. Tap on it. Inside the block list, you will see all the users that you have blocked. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on their name and select the unblock option. And that's it. You can easily manage your blocked users anytime from this section. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.